Hi, my name is Teresa. This is Yarn Again, and this is the prize from February's Mystery Yarn Challenge 223, hosted by Lori at Armchair Chef. I was shocked when it arrived. In all honesty, I didn't even know I won, because life is just... I'm getting back to life. Anyway, I won fabulous prizes, and thank you, Lori, for hosting this Mystery Yarn Challenge every month and doing such a wonderful job making everybody know what there should be, there are people that they have to do, and when we mail them out, we give you the thing, and you make it so smooth for us. I know it's a lot of work for you, and I appreciate it, and I really, really appreciate it, and I really, really appreciate these wonderful gifts that you've given me. And if you didn't put my name on the wheel, I would not have won, because it's just amazing what artists are out there. And I think February was my personal worst. Sorry, but I've been doing this since November. And anyway, yeah. So the Mystery Yarn Challenge is every month. Lori gets emails if you want to participate. If you do want to participate, you send her an email and she puts you on the list. Then she draws them. She doesn't pick them herself and match them up. She has them in a drawing, and she picks out the name out of a bucket and puts it with somebody so and all like that. And then you send out your package to the person of 3 colors of yarn, or 4, enough to make something, because you have to make one thing with the yarn that you get. And you take pictures, or you put it on your YouTube channel as content, and then Lori, at the end of the time, she collects all those, makes a slideshow. Everybody gets to see what everybody gets, and they vote on what they like, and then she puts your name on a wheelie thing, and surprise, surprise, I won. I'm really shocked. I watched the video the other day, and I was still a little too sick to catch the whole thing, and then I caught myself, and I was like, holy wow, I did win. Anyway, I'm sorry. I'm not going to try to do this over again. I'm being an honest person here, and I always feel I'm going to be an honest person. And it's been a rough month. Anyway, everything's good. This is the candle I won. It is peach. It smells like a fresh peach right off the farm when you bite into it. I have not lit it yet because it's been hot. And we've got 3 skeins of this Lion brand yarn. Look at that shimmer and those colors. This is a size 3 Moroccan Nights from Lion brand. The name of it is Princess. It is a 3. It requires a 4mm needle and a 5mm hook recommended. 98% acrylic, 2% polyester. 273 yards, 250 millimeters, 3.5 ounces. Yes, I do know it's upside down. I'm dyslexic and ambidextrous, so does it matter? Okay, I'm sorry. There you go. It was easier. Do not bleach. You can wash it, you could dry it, you could not iron it, and you can do whatever that P stands for. You can pee it. I don't know what that means. So you can machine wash, gentle cycle, tumble dry. I will not read it in French. And I like the fact that the colors vary in these, and I don't know if it's self-striping. I'm in a shawl kick, so that's probably what it'll end up being. And I got this. Yes, it's a furls. You guys want to see? I was so excited. It was all wrapped in like bubble wrap, and the candle was in a box and in freezer wrap. You know, the bubble wrap that's like silver and stuff. And I took it out because of the noise, but I left this in the bag because I'm not going to use it right away, and I really, really, really don't want my dog's hair on it because he's shedding right now. This is the lovely, beautiful hook I got. It is an L furls. It is 7 millimeters. Look at the detail on the decoration around that L. Isn't that something? And each hook, I don't know if you've gotten any of these cherry blossom hooks. Each hook, no matter which one you get, if you get them in one order or another, every furls is different because the way they go through the machine. See, I'll show you. I have an M, and it's stamped in gold. The bottom is white. They're the same colorway. See how that is? Isn't that cool? Then I put that one back. And I got an N. I don't know why that was stamped in gold. These are stamped in, look at that. Look at this one. I just love it on the hook like that, because when you're crocheting, you're not going to see this part. You are going to see this part. Isn't that cool? Look at those swirls. I just think it's really, really neat to get a hook. You could get two of the same exact hooks, and they're not going to be the same exact because the way the acrylic and the dyes in the acrylic hit the mold. Isn't that neat? So that's from Lori. The other one was from Creative Craftings with SC. I'll link him down below. That's my son. I think I scored. Look at those prizes. And I just do it for the fun of it, because it is a lot of fun. I don't know if I've said it, but you might want to go over to Lori at Armchair Chef. Her link will be down below, and see about joining the fun. The next one starts May 1st. You have plenty of time to join in, and the more we have, the merrier it will be. Thank you for stopping by. If you are a subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you're not a subscriber, could you please think about subscribing? And if you can, please give it a thumbs up and share if you like this or know somebody that would like this or would like information on the Mystery Yarn Challenge. Have a great day. Thanks for being there.